Today I'm going to be seeing how much money I can get by selling this set and this one, as well as this one. I'm going to try something I've never done before. I'm going to be going to sell these sets at Bricks and Minifigs, and I know that that is not a great place. That's essentially the GameStop of Lego investing, but I'm curious. I've never done it before, and I'm curious what I can get for them. These 3 sets I all got for free. They were gift purchase or just gifts, and so I'm going to see, and I am selling them because they are kind of Christmas specific as well, so they are probably going to be worth more just because we're coming up on Christmas. It can be a great way to make a little extra money, and I'm going to see what we can get from that. I'm not exactly sure. I think this one is worth about 25 on Brick Economy. This one's worth I think like 15 to 20, and then this one is worth in the $30 realm. So if I could get, I don't know, I'm also going to be selling one more set that's opened and built. So between those 4, I don't know what it would hope for, maybe $60, something like that. We'll see what happens, but I think it's going to be interesting to see what I can get for these sets, and I will keep you guys posted on how much I end up getting for them. All right, thanks. Alrighty, I'm at the Bricks and Minifig store. Got the sets here. Let's see what I can get for them. I will report back shortly. Alrighty, just got back from the store. I was able to get about $40 for it. Thought that was kind of interesting. It was an interesting process. I don't know if I'll do it again, but it was cool to learn about how Lego sets and retired ones are sold at the Bricks and Minifig store, and it was an interesting experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.